Hi guys, so here's a brief illustration of how you can make your online booking for the SGR tickets. So you quickly head over to Google search and search for Madaraka Express passenger service, or you can simply search for SGR online booking. So it will direct you to this page where you will be able to find the Madaraka Express online booking service. So here we have the train type. So under the train type, we have different categories. We have the intercounty, which operates within Nairobi and Mombasa, with several stops along the way. But if you don't want to spend a lot of time on the way, you can choose the Madaraka Express, which basically operates within Nairobi, Mombasa, but only makes one stop at Voi. And then now there's the third option which we are going for, which is the SUSWA train. So this one moves from Nairobi to SUSWA. So then here at the departure, we select the Nairobi terminus, and then our destination, we have for destination, you can either pick Rongai, Ngong, Mai Mai, or SUSWA. So in this case, I'll go with SUSWA. Then next to it we have the departure date. So you pick a date, and also a point to note here is that the SUSWA train operates only for 3 days within the week. So basically you can only pick between Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So in this case we'll have Saturday, and then now the departure time, basically there's only one train that heads from Nairobi to SUSWA and back. So in a day you can only have one trip. So the departure is 8:50. So once you select the book, it will bring you the search results. So you can quickly verify from which is the departure is Nairobi terminus, and destination is SUSWA. The departure date is that and that. Then now, in case you feel like there's any information incorrect right here, you can quickly modify the search. There's an option for that. Then now below here we have the charges. So these are the charges you can see for adults. The 250 Kenyan shillings. For children between the age of 3 years and 11 years is 125 shillings, and then any children below the age of 3 years is free. Then there's an option only for economy class. As you can see, 289 seats open. The SUSWA train does not have the VIP option. Then now you move over to the next step, which is now keying in the number of tickets that you require. So we have the adult option, children between 12 and 17 years, then children 3 and 11 years. So there's no children below 3 years because it is free. So in this case, let's say we pick one adult and one child who is between the age of 12 and 17 years. So you can see it will automatically calculate for you what's the total fare that you're supposed to part with. So for illustration purposes, I'll only use one adult, the option of one adult. So it totals to 250 Kenyan shillings. So we select to book the train. So once you've confirmed the number of tickets that you require, so the next step is the booking details, where now you're required to key in your information as it will appear on the booking ticket. So here we'll key in the name. So for this case, let us use John Doe as an example. Then now the next step is to key in your ID or your passport or number for that matter. Then the next is you select the gender, and next is now nationality. So they ask for your nationality because the charges are different for Kenyan nationalities and other foreigners from other countries. And then now you head over to the payment detail. Now you need to note that the only payment option online is the use of M-Pesa. So unless you head over to the station physically and pay, which is normally very inconvenient. So paying through M-Pesa is the only available option online. So you key in your Safaricom number basically with the M-Pesa details, and then you quickly confirm the date or the time of the departure, the code class, and the fare total amount. And then once you verify, you proceed. So once you choose to proceed with the payment, you'll now confirm your details for one more time, which is now just to quickly verify uh, where you be departing from is Nairobi to destination SUSWA, and the duration of the train will take 2 hours 20 minutes. Then the travel date, and the class, and basically the departure time and arrival time. So the number of passengers that will be your booking for, then now payment details. Also there's also some useful information regarding the instruction where you'll be able to read there, including when you should arrive, items that you should not carry. Also there's a requirement for you to have your original identification card or passport when you be making the trip. So, and also there are items that are not allowed on board, e.g. Sprays that have inflammable signs and such like things. So once you've read the instruction, you confirm that you're not a robot and that you've read the terms and understood. So then you now choose to make the payment. So under payment, there are two options. You can either pay instantly by opting to receive a pop-up message on your M-Pesa Safaricom line, or you can as well choose to reserve payment and then head over to the paybill number and make the payment using a paybill number. So if you choose to pay now, you'll receive a pop-up message on your M-Pesa number, and just key in the PIN and the payment will be sent. But if you choose to pay later, your ticket will be reserved for like 30 minutes or so, and then within that 30 minutes you should be able to make payment via their pay bill number, which will be available in the next step. So we proceed to make payment now. So once you're redirected to this point now, you'll receive a pop-up message on your M-Pesa number. So basically the M-Pesa number that you keyed in as you were entering your personal information, you will receive a pop-up message which normally just requires you to enter your M-Pesa PIN and the payment will be successful. So after you've made the payment, you'll receive a confirmation message and also an e-ticket, which basically is just in form of a text message showing you your details, your ticket number, and all the details. So once you've made the payment and you have the e-ticket, the next thing is to, on the travel date, you head over to the station with your message, and you'll be able to print your physical ticket now, which you'll use to board the train.
Wait.